For more than a century, steam power dominated the world. It drove factories, moved trains across continents, carried ships across oceans. It powered industry, transportation, and global trade. Steam engines were not just machines, they were the foundation of modern civilization. Entire economies were built around them. Cities expanded, industries grew, empires connected distant regions through steam-powered networks. For a time, it seemed unstoppable. Steam had solved the greatest problem of the industrial age: how to generate power on demand. But no technology remains dominant forever. Even at its peak, steam carried within it the seeds of its own decline. Despite its success, steam power had fundamental weaknesses. Steam engines were large, heavy, and complex. They required constant maintenance, they consumed vast amounts of fuel, and they wasted significant energy as heat. Boilers needed time to build pressure before operation. Engines could not start instantly. Efficiency, even in advanced designs, remained limited. Operating steam systems required skilled workers and careful management. Any failure could be dangerous. Explosions, mechanical breakdowns, and fuel shortages were constant risks. As industries evolved, these limitations became more noticeable. Steam power worked, but it was far from perfect. And once a better alternative appeared, those weaknesses would become impossible to ignore. Electricity introduced a fundamentally different way of delivering power. Instead of generating motion directly, electricity could be transmitted over distance. Factories no longer needed a single central engine. They could distribute power to multiple machines using electric motors. Each machine could operate independently. This increased efficiency, flexibility, and safety. Electric motors were smaller, cleaner, and easier to control than steam engines. They required less maintenance and could start instantly. By the late 19th century, electrical systems began replacing steam in factories. The shift was gradual but decisive. Steam had centralized power, electricity decentralized it, and that changed everything. At the same time, another technology was emerging: the internal combustion engine. Unlike steam engines, it did not require a boiler or external heat source. Fuel was burned directly inside the engine. This made it far more compact and efficient. Steam engines had to slowly build pressure. Internal combustion offered instant, explosive violence, perfectly controlled within a cylinder. This shift changed everything. Engines could start instantly, respond immediately, and operate in much smaller spaces. They became ideal for vehicles, automobiles, trucks, and eventually aircraft. All depended on this new form of power. Steam engines had made movement possible. Internal combustion made it practical. Railways were once the ultimate symbol of steam power, but even here, change began to take hold. Diesel and electric locomotives gradually replaced steam engines. They required less maintenance. They were more efficient. They could operate without long preparation times. Steam locomotives needed hours to build pressure. Diesel engines could start almost immediately. Electric trains offered even greater efficiency and reliability. By the mid-20th century, steam locomotives were being phased out across much of the world. The machines that once defined modern transportation were becoming obsolete. Steamships also faced replacement. Coal-powered steam engines were gradually replaced by more efficient systems. Oil-fired boilers improved performance, but they were only a transition. Diesel engines soon became dominant in maritime transport. They required less fuel, fewer crew members, and less maintenance. But the biggest change was human. Steamships required entire crews of workers, feeding coal into furnaces around the clock in extreme heat deep inside the ship. Diesel engines didn't just save fuel, they eliminated the need for armies of men shoveling coal in the blistering heat of the ship's belly. ships became more efficient and far less physically demanding to operate. The decline of steam was not caused by a single invention. It was the result of a broader shift toward efficiency. Electricity, diesel engines, and internal combustion all offered advantages that steam could not match. Lower fuel consumption, reduced maintenance, greater flexibility. Steam engines were powerful but inefficient. As technology advanced, efficiency became the deciding factor. Industries adopted systems that delivered more power with fewer resources. Steam, once revolutionary, became outdated. Progress does not eliminate technology overnight, but over time, better solutions replace older ones. And steam was no exception. Despite its decline, steam did not disappear. It evolved. We never truly left the age of steam. Today, nuclear reactors, coal power plants, and geothermal stations all operate on the same fundamental principle. They heat water to create high-pressure steam. That steam drives turbines. The technology may look advanced, but the core idea remains unchanged. We simply found more powerful and efficient ways to boil water. Steam no longer powers trains or ships on a global scale, but it still powers much of the modern world. The age of steam did not end, it just changed form. Steam power changed the course of history. It made large-scale industry possible. It transformed transportation. It connected the world. The Industrial Revolution would not have happened without it. Steam engines turned energy into motion on an unprecedented scale. They laid the foundation for modern engineering. Even the technologies that replaced steam were built upon its principles. Steam was not just a phase in history, it was a turning point, a moment when humanity learned how to control power in a new way. Steam's dominance came to an end, but its impact never did. Every modern engine, every power system, every industrial process carries echoes of steam technology. It taught us how to generate, control, and apply energy. It reshaped the world. And even as newer technologies replaced it, they built upon the foundations steam created. The age of steam may be over, but its legacy remains everywhere. From the first primitive engines to the global systems we rely on today, steam power was the beginning of something much larger.